welcome back to my channel. First of all, thanks a lot for the massive response that I got for the previous video. Keep supporting throughout my journey. So today I'm gonna show how I created this look because this is my everyday makeup routine that I generally follow. Go ahead and watch this entire video, and if you like it, do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and let's get started. So for my makeup, I first start with moisturizer. So as it is summer, I don't want a greasy moisturizer, so I'm using this light one by Nivea Soft. So now that I am done, I'm gonna go for sunscreen. Very important for summers. I use non-greasy light sunscreen. It is Pond's Sun Protect Sunscreen, which is non-oily, and it has SPF of 50. Sometimes the foundation that you're wearing might feel heavy during the summers if you're going literally outside on the sun. So replace foundation with the CC cream. You can also go for BB creams. So I'm gonna use this Lakme 95 CC cream. So next I'm gonna settle this liquid of oiliness that I have on my face with the compact powder. I'm using this by Lakme. Next, my favorite part, which is eyeliner by e.l.f. Without that, everyone feels like I'm sick. I'm done with eyeliner. Next I'm gonna go for brows. As I have defined brows already, I'm just gonna fill in the empty spaces with the eyeshadow palette. I'm using this palette by Revolution Velvet Rose. So in this palette I'm gonna use this dark brown shade and mixed with this black shade. I'm using this angular brush, if you can see. So I'm done with my brows, guys. Next I'm gonna do my mascara with Maybelline the Hypercurl Volume Express. I have a very light eyelash and this mascara helps me a lot to volumize it. Even if you're not so okay with the eyeliner, you just can apply some mascara on your eyelash and you're just good to go. Rotate mascara like this. It gives a nice curl to your lashes. So I'm done with mascara, guys. Next I'm gonna go for eyeshadow. I'm just gonna apply normal tan shade over my eyes because it's just a normal day out, not too dramatic. So I'm using the same palette of Revolution Velvet Rose. So in that I'm gonna use these three colors. So I'm done with my eyeshadow, guys. As you can see, it gives a natural tan look and it is my favorite type of eyeshadow for everyday basis. Before applying any lipstick, I first apply Vaseline so that it gives a proper protection because I have very dry lips. So I generally go for pink lips for everyday basis. I use Maybelline Color Show Intense Crayon in the shade Passionate Plum. And for blush, I just use my lipstick and blend it well. So I'm gonna blend this one well in my cheeks. You smile when you put on your blush so that you'll know where exactly your blush should go on. So I generally apply on the apple of my cheeks. So I'm done with my blush. It gives a natural pink shade to my cheeks. If at all I don't feel like wearing kajal, I do this. I'm just gonna give a little bit darker shade underneath this waterline. I'm again using this angular brush. This and this, I'm gonna mix these both. So I'm done with my makeup, guys. That's it for the makeup, guys. I hope you really enjoyed watching the everyday simple makeup that I generally do. I'm not a pro in it, just a simple thing that I believe that it looks good. If you liked watching this video and if you enjoyed watching this video, do not forget to hit that thumbs up button right down there, and also very important, subscribe to my channel. We are so close to 150 subscribers. Let's make it soon, and I will see see you guys next week with another fun video. Until then, bye.